Hey, we're here today to show you how to move our furniture in our new configurable furniture track system. One of the biggest reasons we came out with this is this trailer could be sitting on a typical dealer's lot, but the customer comes in and said, man, I really wish that dinette was on this side and the sofa was on the other, then it'd be perfect for me. Or maybe I don't even want that sofa, or it's in the way or whatever. But we've designed this so you can move it wherever you want. So what we want to show you do is how to do that. We had to come up with a system to tie it back to itself. Previously they'd be tied up on the ceiling, but to allow it to move wherever the furniture goes, we came out with a new tie-down system too. So first what we want to do is kind of get the legs down. We're going to put this into the chair mode, and then you just simply kind of push into it, loosen that up right there. There's one on each side, and Jason's helped me with this. So then we'll unhook this like that. I like to hook them back into the top here just to keep them out of the way. And then we'll fold it down. Now it's in the kind of the bed mode, but we'll flip it back up here to get it in the sofa mode. Now we're going to zoom in here and take the brackets off and move this sofa out of the way. So this job, it's really not a one-man job. It's really, you need two people to work through it. You got 9/16 socket that Jason just used to take it off. But a good idea to, before you pull this out, is just to count the number of spaces. We have 65 between the two brackets of the sofa. That'll just help you remember spacing as you place this later. So now we're going to pull it off and then set it outside, and then we'll pull the dinette out. So you can see the airline track clear across the wall. And these are, we just removed the sofa. These little brackets here just pop out. They pop into the airline track. There's a little bit of a notch here that you want to make sure when you put it into the new location, you get that seated in the circle, but it's got a friction on it, and that keeps it nice and steady for you. But you can move those throughout to get it to the right spot for the new stuff. We've got two straps on this one. Some will have one long strap, but that's what's holding it up against the wall. We want to get these legs out. So we put it back into the couch mode, flip it down. We're doing the other side now. So along with that whole furniture track system, we redesigned our table, and it made it so it'll fit under any cabinet and under any happy jack. And you have a nice solid steel bracket that allows it to pivot in and store lower. I want to warn you, the table is very heavy. This is not a wood table. This is a solid surface table. But this is about 70 pounds, so you definitely want to have a buddy and be ready as you pull this off. So in this spot where the dinette mounted, you have 9 holes in between these two studs. In between these two studs, which is between the dinette and the table's first stud, there's 6. Then from there, from the whole table span, there's 33 in between that. Okay, so now we're going to place the table on the other side. Get your buddy, remember again, this is heavy. These little pegs on the side are nice to kind of lift it up, carry it over. Okay, so we're gonna bring this first one over. A little bit of the trick figuring out, we learned the hard way, is you wanna have kind of the back part towards the middle when it's in the bed mode, so you know which side is which. Jason's flipping the legs down. That makes it a lot easier for mounting that. And so now we're gonna place this over here and just line it up with our stud. And then we'll grab a nut and put it on top of it. Get it out of the way. And just a little bit of the trick to the strapping them down. I take them to the side like Jason did. Click into the unit itself. Kind of lean into it. Get it tight. Good.